Hey guys, this is Natural Raw Essence, and today I'm coming to bring you on a VoxBox. Now, this is a surprise for me, and I received something in the mail, so this is what I'm going to be reviewing. So with no further ado, let's get started. I'm not exactly sure what they sent, so it's kind of like a surprise, but I know it has something to do with beauty, so I didn't wear any lipsticks because I have a feeling it may possibly be lipstick, but I'm not exactly sure. So, and it says, your future looks rosy. If you can see the lighting. Here. So, feels like a little bit of Christmas here. Okay, so we're gonna... Okay, it is a moisturizer. If you can. And this is by Loreal. It's Age Perfect Rosy Tone. And this is what it looks like. And it says that it is a Age Perfect Cell Renewal, renews and revives healthy tone, visible, younger looking skin for mature, dull skin. Perfect. Can't complain. It immediately hydrates the skin, makes it look healthy and younger, feels smoother and looks rejuvenated. And the skin appears renewed, skin is visibly younger. That's why is this product right for me? As skin matures, its ability to renew surface cells slows down, causing a buildup of dead cells on the surface. As a result, the natural pink tone is hidden and complexion becomes dull, losing its natural rosy tone of youth. I'm not sure if I have pink. I think I'm more gold. So I am going to take a few days to look at this and apply this on my skin, and I will come back with a review on the product, and I also will probably write a blog post about it. So just keep your eyes posted on the blog and on the channel, so you can see an update on how this works on my skin. Till next time, peace.